Little amp rack update. This sits down inside on the floor behind the passenger seat, and whenever people get in and out, they might step on my amp. There's no place for them to put their feet. So this is what I'm thinking. Alright, you got one piece over here. You got one piece over here. Still needs to be cut. And I'm wood filling it. Yeah. But I'll show you over here. This is going to be a piece of wood. Then across here, as you can see, it's taller, but a piece of wood running across here. And I'm going to have just a simple little hinge running right here. That way, whenever I put my seat up, say I need to do something with my amp or anything, it'll swing up on a hinge and, stand up. And then whenever I'm done, put it right back down, and there it is. It'll never come up when someone's feet are on there. So, there's that. And this zero gauge, I just got a scrap piece right here. This shit does not like to bend. So, my marks are right here for the power and ground. It's a good 2.5 inches from here to here, just so I can get it to, whenever it comes up, just so I can get it to bend just enough to get into the terminal. And the zero gauge wire, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it takes up the remote and the power side because this shit's so big. I think this amp's only rated for 8 gauge, but I'll just cut down this end because they don't make 0 gauge to 8 gauge terminals. They make 0 gauge to 4 gauge, but 4 gauge won't fit in there. So there's that, and then I got just enough room over here on this side for my RCAs to clear. Yeah, there's a little amp rack update. Been filling some crevices and stuff. So yeah, see this line right here? This actually isn't the wood. That's just a filler line. So I've actually got this all matched in pretty good. This is one piece of 3/4, one piece of 3/4, and then the actual piece of 3/4. Same thing on this side, but you can't tell because it's all filled. It's really nice. That's about all for right now, guys. Quick little amp rack update. Piece of shit 0 gauge. Got a quote on a 200 amp alternator from McMahon, or not McMahon. McMahon wants like $500 for a 270 amp alt for my truck, and excessive amperage is giving me a better deal. So I might go, once I get the money, I'm gonna go and get a excessive amperage alternator. So keep a lookout for that, and possibly a sub change, possibly. I'm not making any guarantees, guys, but possibly. So yeah, alternator. Oh, I got one question for y'all. Give me a second. Let me get this on. Alright, these are Stinger connectors, right? Okay. See, I've been over here sanding on these because they rusted. Now, I ain't never seen a terminal rust. Are these bad terminals or what? That's from Shitty Solder. Show you the guys the other end. That's good solder. All filled. So there's that, guys. Yep. Later.